expensive, which is why bargain hunters are heading to Huntington Beach this weekend for the Urban Kid Consignment Sale.
Urban Kids does this pop-up sale 4 times a year. Shoppers can literally pick up gently worn clothing, toys, strollers, and other baby gear for pennies on the dollar. All the items have been inspected and are in like-new condition. For families on a budget, it is a great opportunity to stock up on quality merchandise. These savvy shoppers were waiting for the doors to open this morning.
You can't, no, especially because the conditions are so good. It's not, stained stuff. They make sure that their stuff is really nice and really still clean. And yeah, I would much rather buy something used and pay half price than something new and pay full price. It's neat. It's nice that, you can resell stuff and not have to throw it away. It doesn't end up in the trash or, somebody else can use it when you're done with it.
The sale goes through 5 p.m. Sunday. The leftover items will be donated to charity.
And for more information, just go to our website at kcal9.com and click Seen on TV. Next at 8, talk about a